So one of our big things here at Lutheran High is that we want to provide great spaces for great teachers. And that's a philosophy that we're trying to incorporate throughout our entire school presentation, if you will. I asked the question, how do we best utilize a space for our kids? What can we do with their environment so that they're more collaborative, so that they interact more with each other, and so that their thoughts can just be a part of the classroom experiences? And we looked at everything from really expensive whiteboard panels. We looked at different products for being able to put a whiteboard around the classroom, if you will. And at the end of the day, we just really felt like we would go with Remarkable, and it has been. It's been outstanding. The price was right. It basically knocked it out in a weekend. It didn't leave anybody with a headache because of fumes or anything like that. It erases. It doesn't leave any residue like a normal whiteboard sometimes does. And just from start to finish, the product's been amazing, and we just could not be more pleased.